The importance of responsiveness in web design. In today's digital landscape, users access websites from a multitude of devices, smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktops. Responsive web design ensures that your website adapts seamlessly to any screen size, delivering a consistent and user-friendly experience across all platforms. Learn why responsiveness is important in web design. Improved user experience. Responsive sites present content in a readable, interactive way on any screen. This reduces friction, users find information quickly and complete tasks with fewer errors. SEO advantages. Search engines use mobile friendliness and page experience signals when ranking sites. Responsive design helps meet those signals, improving organic visibility and click-through rates. Faster loading and performance. Performance optimizations, responsive images, lazy loading, and reduced payloads, lower load times and bounce rates, particularly on mobile networks. Accessibility and inclusive design. Responsive layouts that follow semantic HTML, focus management, and sufficient touch target sizes make content accessible to more users, including those using screen readers or magnifiers. Consistent branding. A single responsive code base ensures your brand's visual identity and messaging remain consistent across all devices and contexts. Future-proof websites. Responsive design principles, fluid grids, scalable assets, progressive enhancement make it easier to adapt to new devices, smart watches, foldables, TVs, without full redesigns. How to make a website responsive, practical steps. Follow these steps to build or retrofit a responsive website. Each step is actionable and focused on practical outcomes. Plan mobile first. Start with the smallest screens and progressively enhance the layout for larger viewports. Use flexible grids. Employ CSS grid or flexbox with relative units, %, instead of fixed pixel layouts. Serve responsive images. Use struct and sizes attributes, consider WebP AVIF, and use loading equals lazy for off-screen images. Apply media queries. Add breakpoints to adjust typography, navigation, and spacing for different widths. Optimize performance. Minify assets, defer non-critical JS, and prioritize critical CSS for faster rendering. Test thoroughly. Test on real devices and with emulators. Check touch targets, forms, and screen reader behavior. Common questions about responsive design. What is responsive web design? Responsive web design is a technique where a site adapts its layout and assets to the user's screen size and capabilities so content remains usable and readable. Why does responsiveness affect SEO? Search engines evaluate mobile usability and page experience. Sites that perform well on mobile are more likely to rank higher in search results. How do I make images responsive? Use IMG struct with multiple image sizes and the sizes attribute. Set CSS max with 100% and laser load non-critical images. Is responsive design the same as mobile first? Not exactly. Mobile first is a strategy where you design for mobile first and scale up. Responsive design is the technique, fluid grids, media queries, used to make pages adapt. Responsive web design is essential. It improves UX, search rankings, accessibility, performance, and protects your investment as devices continue to evolve.